Airfoil generators and watery industries continue to make progress on the first full-size prototype of airfoil generators, revolutionary new solution in wind-powered generators. Hub castings have been heat-treated for strength and moved onto machining in a horizontal machining center. Once each face is milled flat to the correct angle, screw mounting holes and dowel pin locating holes are added for mounting the flange casting during final assembly. After machining, this hub casting will move to deburring and dowel pin installation, so it can move to final assembly and fitment with 5 flange castings.